gather, calling me to stand alone. Every river swells with sorrow, every oak begins to weep, for the storm that haunts the valley never lets the mountains sleep. And the rain won't stop, it falls like a curse on the land. Through the shadows I'll walk with a blade of fire in my hand. Hear the wild winds cry, feel the earth beneath me drop, till the battle is won. But the rain won't stop. Iron echoes in the distance, wolves are howling to the moon. All the clans ignite their torches, knowing fate is coming soon. Legends carved in runestone tremble as the skies begin to break, but the storm keeps growing stronger, like a beast no heart can tame. And the rain won't stop, it falls like a curse on the land. Through the shadows I walk with a blade of fire in my hand. Hear the wild winds cry, feel the earth beneath me drop, till the battle is won. But the rain won't stop. Raise your horns, my brothers, let the thunder be our guide, for the fire in our spirits is a flame the storm can't hide.